Hi, this is Mardy once again and welcome to my channel. Hi everyone! In today's episode, we're getting to know one of the most powerful figures in Philippine politics, Speaker Martin Romualdez. From his roots in a political dynasty to his rise in Congress and his influence today, we'll break down everything you need to know. If you are new to my YouTube channel, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. At para updated kayo sa mga susunod kong videos, please click the bell notification below. At sana po, don't skip the ads and please watch until the end of my video. Ferdinand Martin Gomez Romualdez is a prominent Filipino politician, lawyer, and businessman. He currently serves as the 24th Speaker of the House of Representatives of the Philippines, a position he has held since 2022. He represents Leyte's 1st Congressional District, a seat he first held in 2007 and regained in 2019. Martin Romualdez was born on November 14, 1963 in Manila, into a well-known political family. His father, Benjamin Romualdez, served as a governor and Philippine ambassador, while his aunt is Imelda Marcos, the former First Lady of the Philippines. His cousins include President Ferdinand Bongbong Marcos Jr. and Senator Amy Marcos, making him closely linked to one of the country's most influential political dynasties. Romualdez studied abroad and earned his Bachelor of Arts in Government from Cornell University in the United States in 1981 to 1985. He also completed a certificate in Administration and Management at Harvard University in 1988. That same year, he began studying law at the University of the Philippines College of Law, where he became a member of the Upsilon Sigma Phi fraternity. He completed his Bachelor of Laws in 1992 and became a licensed lawyer in 1993. Before entering politics, Romualdez built a successful career in business and law. He worked in the real estate and banking sectors and held leadership roles in major corporations such as Equitable PCI Bank and Benguet Corporation. He also became active in media, owning several newspapers and a media company, including the Manila Standard and Philippine Collective Media Corporation. Romualdez began his political career in 2007 when he was elected as a congressman for Leyte's 1st District. He was re-elected in 2010 and 2013. After reaching the 3-term limit in 2016, he ran for the Senate but was not elected. He returned to the House of Representatives in 2019 and served as House Majority Leader. He played a key role in managing the 2022 vice presidential campaign of Sara Duterte, the daughter of former President Rodrigo Duterte. In the same year, he was elected Speaker of the House. As Speaker, Romualdez has been involved in major national issues, including proposals for constitutional reform and managing tensions between political factions, particularly between the Marcos and Duterte camps. Martin Romualdez is married to Yeda Marie Kettlesvet, a former beauty queen who represented the Philippines in Miss International 1996. She also served as a congresswoman. The couple married in 1999 and have 4 children. They currently reside in Makati City. Ferdinand Martin G. Romualdez is a key political leader in the Philippines. known for his roles as Speaker of the House and Representative of Leyte. With a strong legal and business background, he plays a major role in shaping national policy. As a member of a powerful political family, his influence continues to impact the country's political and legislative landscape. Thank you very much for watching. And according to Rumi, don't grieve. Anything you lose comes around in another form. Shout out and thanks to the comment of Rich Tuvi Veray and Jack Crow. Maraming salamat po. Special thanks to my source from Google, enwikipedia.org, photo credits to www.belfercenter.org, and inspirational quote credits to www.lifehack.org.